This video will demonstrate the pony rod seal removal and replacement for a 3-seal carrier, also known as the stuffing box. First, remove the rubber baffle, which is an important shield preventing water from entering the oil seal assembly and then into the power end. Begin removing the bolts from the carrier assembly. Remove the metal spacer from the oil stop head assembly and then remove the outer flange or carrier on the oil stop head assembly. Now, pull the rear flange. Once the oil seal assembly is removed, you'll notice there's a green gasket in the very back. That gasket needs to be replaced with every removal before reinstallation. With the oil stop assembly removed and flanges sitting side by side, you'll notice on the flanges 2 weep holes at the very bottom. They should be positioned at the 6 o'clock position when installed. The weep holes are to help drain off any water that is pushed back through the rear flange. Remove the oil stop seal in the rear section flange and then remove the 2 oil stop seals from the front section. Put a light coat of grease on the new oil stop seals. You will want to ensure these are installed properly. You'll see on the seal itself a slot or groove side, and on the other side you've got a smooth side. On the single seal carrier, the slot or groove side goes toward the power end or the oil side. Now, on the front carrier, it has 2 seals, and both grooves need to be facing towards the fluid end or water when installed. Apply a light coat of grease to both seals and insert them into the carrier. Once you replace the green gasket, put a light coat of grease on the green gasket before inserting the rear section of the oil stop carrier assembly. Now, slide the single carrier or rear section onto the pony rod all the way in. Ensure the weep hole is at 6 o'clock. Now you're going to be putting on the front section of the oil stop assembly. Grease the pony rod and the seal area well, then slide it on the pony rod, lining up the bolt holes. Ensure the weep hole is at 6 o'clock position and the grease zerk is at the 12 o'clock position. Install your spacer or shim fitting directly over the grease zerk, which should align your bolt holes. Then install your bolts. Only snug the bolts in until the install tool can be used for alignment. On your oil stop head alignment tool, you'll notice it has a lip on the very top. That side goes into the oil stop seal under the front seal lip. You'll place it over the pony rod. Slide it snug into the lip of the pony rod seal, which is going to hold it in place as you tighten up your bolts in a star pattern to keep the oil stop seal centered on the pony rod. Once the bolts are secured, grab your baffle. Apply a light coat of grease on the inside of the baffle and slide it back onto the pony rod as far back as possible. Now that we've covered the basics for replacing pony rod seals in your oil stop head assembly, if you need any additional support, feel free to reach out to us. We have field service technicians available in all major shale plays. If you need additional help and support, we offer Pump University, where we will come to your location and teach your employees how to be experts in pump maintenance.